Hey Raul, why does my car leak oil and how serious is it?
It can be very serious. It's what lubricates the engine. If you had no oil in your car, everything would be metal to metal contact, and that'll cause severe internal damage. So I definitely get some oil leaks fixed if I had them.
Like, hey Johnny,
Yes.
why does my car leak oil and how serious is it?
Uh, See, it needs oil like our bodies need blood, so it's pretty serious. And I couldn't tell you why it's leaking. You should probably bring it in.